Stella, what are you doing? Bless you, baby Stella. Meals, what are you doing?
I'm going to go.
What? No, no way. Don't run with that in your mouth. Put it down, please. Hey, Stella. Mealy, that was nice of you to give her that toy to play with, the one with the ball inside. That's perfect. You can use it like that, but don't put it in your mouth. Hey, it's Stella! Hey, baby Stella!
I didn't have this spoon is in the sink.
The spoon is where?
In the sink.
Oh, to clean it off? Like to wash it off?
You can wash it off.